Oh, babe. Okay.
Thank you.
It's a party boat. It's a party boat. Look at that. Soca playing. Pool running. So here we are at the top of the boat. We have big speakers. So the party crowd is up here. So up at the top of the boat. It's really hot up here, so really hot and okay. So if we're down here, it's heading towards Pigeon Point. And the reef is out there in the middle.
Some boys to them is something else. When the outside they have no game. 20 years and them the outside them move it vibe and remix. When you coming back, so that when you coming to keep on the junction. When you mind, you got to, when you walking on, like the walking conjunction.
Pigeon Point.
One way or the next I day, when I play for free. If they don't let we will climb a tree. Wetting waves from high, so long as we can see. So we roll with way. It's not season one, those are my friends of the Colorado. We're bathing in the water, all this all better to love. So my people, we're two one in the air. You're two one in the air. You're two one in the air. Stand up, I come to party with my hand up. All soca people, we're two one in the air. You're two one in the air.
Scenic clusters there, right? Those are the stone stars of the mushroom coral. The local name for them are what we call the potatoes, and you guys would call them the aloe coral as well, because they resemble both, alright? Looking closely between them, you should see some small black fishes. Some are white-tailed, some are yellow-tailed, and some are totally black. They're the jewel damsel or fight the fish. Normally, if you should stand where they look at the reef, you should find them nibbling at your feet. They do no harm. They're just saying hi or hello or stay away from a house. They be aggressive. Seen any lumbrung ones waving, saying hello? Some lumbrung waving plants? Yeah? Sea whips or the sea gorgonian plants. The local name for them are what we call the deadman fingers. Reason why we call them the deadman fingers, because they only move with the flow of the current. So when there is no current, it doesn't move at all, it just stays one place. And when they're brown like that, they're either awake or feeding. When they're dark or silver in color, they're either dead or sleeping. While we were drifting here, anybody see any big blue fish yet? No?
Yes.
Right, the big blue ones are the lipstick parrotfish or the rainbow-tailed parrotfish. Those are the males of the parrotfishes. The black and white ones, if you should see them, those are the spotted parrots. Those are the females. But if you should notice here, the big blue ones, the males are much more attractive than the females we have here. And this is quite normal. Us males are much more attractive than the females. So in the animal kingdom, the male there has to do most of the attracting. Hence the reason why they're so attractive. So we really don't want to put on all those makeup and stuff. Naturalistic, okay guys? No offense ladies, I don't know.
Old talk.
In and out between the crowd, you're gonna realize it has some white stuff. Well, that is all sand, right? You should see them there when we go back. That school of fishing just passed it, that's a school of French guns. See the main parrot fish going there? See the sand there? That is all crushed disintegrated coral sand. Same sand you're gonna get at the famous Nylon pool and around the reef area. You wouldn't get that sand back at the beaches because there is no coral to be crushed up or made sand. Hence the reason why we get the color or the complexion of the water looking like that. Here we just get big fishes like sharks and stingrays, moray eel, barracudas, lobsters, squids, turtles, octopus, and so forth. But as we trip along here, it casts like a big shadow, so the bigger ones they intend to move away. So you're gonna hardly see them down there. And these coral here, it takes like ½ inch to 1 full inch every year they take to grow. So it's like thousands or billions of years down there. See, it's like two different complexion, a lighter part and a darker part, see it?
Yeah.
The lighter part, that's like the bone structure of the coral. The darker part, that's the living part, also known as a polyp, so the animal of the coral. So if you should go down, touch them, you're going to feel the slimy stuff coming onto your hands or your fingers then. That's like the animal or the polyps of the coral. Since all are well paying attention, take a look up now. Coral actually goes out, and his name was Cecil Anthony. Cecil Anthony, that was his correct name. They say one day while going fishing, he happens to come across this lovely area. When I realized somehow kind of fed up at me, I chat too much, right? Basically what's gonna happen, let me go take you guys to an island pool where everybody can come up and enjoy themselves, because I realize I already want to wet.
So this is the area with the glass bottom where we can see the reef. You can see the coral under the boats in the Boca Reef.
I think it's a toothbrush that got his soft.
Ready? So here I am walking in Nyland Pool on this party boat.
Right, our student individual, but they both restricted in style. This was painted in
Nyland Pool. Nice and comfy. And we ain't build anything, but anyway, one day, Kongote, as they used to say.
You know the Frankies were bigger and thicker than that, eh?
So here we are at Black Rock Beach. Beautiful, unspoilt shoreline, Tobago. Absolutely gorgeous beach.